Where's Matembe? What kind of life is that? What kind of life is that? For me, Otto, if you send me to arrest Matembe, I have to spend 2 hours thinking which part of her body to hold. She's old. You hold the hands, it may remain in your hands. Where is Matembe? The husband is asking, where is my wife? Where is Maria Matembe? You people there. It was from Lukwago to Matembe. Huh? Even our age. Even our advanced age. You can't treat people like that. You can't. We are citizens. We are not slaves. And you say you are PNU?